Hello everyone, how are you doing today? It's a beautiful Sunday and I am here and I'm going to walk you through one of our listings here with Wekiwa Realty at 2685 Spangler. So we'll start right here for you. Right out in front, here we go. Again, we're at 2685 Spangler Street in Apopka. Sorry, that kind of slipped out of there. And I just want to kind of walk you around it for a minute or two to kind of show you and showcase this home. As we walk closer in, I'll show you the view from when you walk out the front door. It's a pretty large lot here. And we're also in 32712, which also has really great schools, a great school system. So let's go inside and I'll show you this little floor plan here. So when you walk in, you're gonna come right into your living room, dining room combo. And there's beautiful hardwood floors in this house. So there's also a split floor plan here, which means that this door right over there is the master, and then the other bedrooms are all split up here. So here's a bedroom in the front, which has bright light coming in from the front side with a good sized closet. Ceiling fans in all the rooms. And then we'll go kind of back out this little private area hallway here. Here's something that I love in a house. A coat closet. Ta-da! We don't have those a lot in Florida because obviously we don't need coats. No, we still need coats and we still need a place to put them. Then over here we have two more bedrooms and then they share a bathroom. So we'll go into bedroom number 2, which is also a good size, light and bright with a good closet in here also. Ceiling fan. I'm gonna back out a little bit here and show you this other, the full bath. And bedroom number 3 is here. I love all the bright light that comes in here as well. Okay, so we've seen 3 bedrooms and we've seen a full bath. Again, we came in through this front door area here. We have the dining room area and the living area. We're gonna walk towards the family room and the master. So here's the master bedroom. Really great size. It looks out onto the pool, so you can have a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom pool home in Apopka 32712. Now the bathroom here in the master bath, the sellers updated this bathroom. See these floors? To die for. I love that they've taken the big mirror out and they've put in the others and then they've retiled all this. And they put like a little sprayer in there, so if you have kids, you can easily wash their hair in the tub. And then they updated the shower as well, which is really nice. I love all the gray and the tile. So this bathroom has been updated by the sellers as well. So I'm gonna step out of there. Ready to see the rest? My favorite parts of the house, the pool, of course, but also a nice open kitchen area as well. And eat-in also, so plenty of spaces. So we have the whole dining room space, we have an eat-in kitchen, we have an open kitchen with the white cabinets, and then we have the pool area. Ta-da, we have a pool. So how many houses can you get in 32712 in Apopka? How many pool homes can you get for under $300,000, right? So this is listed for $290 at the moment. So yes, it's a beautiful day here in Florida. So if you're not in Florida, you should come down here because it's beautiful out and you can get a house for under $300,000. A beautiful pool home. All right, that concludes our tour of 2685 Spangler Street in Apopka. If you have anybody that's interested in purchasing this beautiful home, please let me know. Have a great day, everybody.